Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with my first subscription to Jesse James Beads. I have been watching everybody open up these boxes for almost a year now, and I decided I want to start getting this. So this is my first month. I just cracked this open. This is a monthly subscription box, and it's called Tropical Paradise for February 2022. What's inside? Bead strand duo in Island in the Sun, mini bead mix in Pretty Flamingo, rattan earring components, metal clasp set, mini bead mix in Gulf of Ipanema, Paradise Parrots pendant duo, Paradise seed bead mix, tropical chain reaction from Jesse James Beads. And this is the info right there. So let's get started. Oh, I will say I looked at this, of course, again, because that's me. Let me put this to the side here. And I'll do, okay, so let's start with this one, Surf Rider. Oh, these are just absolutely beautiful. I was really excited to get this bead mix. I just love all of these little, little funky boho beads that come in there. That's my dog. She's coughing. She just drank a bunch of water. You okay, Mag? Okay. So, yes, these are really, really pretty. So we got this one. And this is Island in the Sun. Oh, this is really pretty. Oh, I love that bead. Very pretty. I love the bead caps too that come with these. These are very pretty. I have the rhinestone spacers, and I have ideas already going through my head. And then these are the rattan ear components. Open these up. These are cute. Get this on the back. And these would be nice. Got that. And then we have some, let me see, this is called Chain Reaction. Oh, this is pretty. Chain for beading. Oh, I like these because, you can do a lot with these. So this is doubled up here. So this, you can attach this like onto a necklace that you have, that you're making. We got that. We got this chain reaction. It's very pretty. Very, very pretty. Let me put this away. I'm going to open these up. I'm going to start, after I do this bead unboxing, I'm going to start working on this stuff because I have a market coming up soon. So I'm going to, let me get this one of these out. I'm going to put all these in for, make some stuff for this market I'm doing. So this is called Kokomo. Oh, I just love this. I'm so glad I ended up doing this bead box because I just think it's wow. These, oh, these are really pretty. these. They're pretty. Oh, I like these. Like an abalone shell. Oop. Let's see, we've got, oh, I got the dropsies today. If you ever call them that before. These are really pretty. We've got the blue. These are really pretty. I like the way they just send you a bunch of different things. I mean, you literally could just, so these are really pretty right here. You literally could just like, look at the little charms. Oh, I've got so many ideas. Got 2 of these. You have, oh, you have these tiny little, oh, how cute. There's 1, 2, there's 3 of these. And then little shells. And you've got some of these bead caps. These are really pretty. And then these are really pretty. Oh. Where's the hole at? Oh, there it is. There's 4 of those. And you got these little shell earrings. There's 4 of those. And there's 3 of these. There's lots for this. I have tons of ideas already going through my head. So let's take out. Now this is called Pretty Flamingo. Open this up. Oh, how cute. Oh, how cute. Look at the flamingo. So pretty. Oh, look at these little babies. They're so cute. I love these little tassels. And then little flowers. The hole goes right through the middle. Oh, pretty boho beads. Very pretty. And then you've got these little pink ones, like mermaid beads, and then 6 of the pearls. I got those. I'm just kind of setting these aside with the little, let me see. I have these Paradise Parrots. They're double-sided. Be cute for earrings. They've got the little hole up there. These are nice. I'm not going to open those. Paradise Seed Bead Mix. Those are pretty. Really nice. You can see going with those two. And then this going with these. So it's nice to get some seed beads to go with these. And then these are clasp sets. Let me open these up. Okay, wait, hold on 1 second. What is this? Oh, okay. This is a magnetic clasp. It's very strong too. It's a little rose. Very pretty. Oh, another one. Magnetic clasp. Very pretty. Nice toggle there. Very pretty. And then another toggle here. Very pretty. And then the last but not least, This is called Girl from Ipanema. Stan Getz said it best. Okay. Let me see if this is taped on this side too. I have about 1 million of these little jars I've been given over the years, and I don't, if they're not taped, I don't trust them. I'm like totally old school, and I like little baggies for my stuff because these things just come unjarred, and they're, let me see if this, okay, it does. Wow. Okay, I'll start with these little connectors. These are really cute. Very cool. Oh. And the little leaves. There's 2 of these. Very cute. I'll kind of put them back in there as I'm doing it. And then they have these little flowers. Oh, and they have the hole that goes through the side right there. 1, 2. They feel kind of rubbery. So there's 4 of these. Bigger hole ones. These are nice. Oh, then I have a piece of tape on my finger. Not working there. This is really nice right there. A little cage bead. Oh, that's really cool. It's got little... You should just, you know, these would make really pretty, like, simple little earrings. Those are really cool. These little yellow ones right here. These are pretty. Very pretty. Hole goes through the top. These are pretty. There's 4 of these. They kind of match with these colors right here. These have earrings written all over them. Very pretty. Then it's kind of a funky shaped little, there's 4 of them. Very cool. There's 2 little parrots here. Oh, how cute. Aww, look at them, little adorable. And there's some different head pins, which I like. Not head pins, I mean bead caps. Boy, it's been a day. I started out this morning, woke up, my dog had a raging UTI. I had to take her to the vet, and we had to be a walk-in, so I had to sit there for an hour waiting, and I know she wasn't feeling well. They gave her some meds and some doggy Motrin, and she's feeling much better already. She's sitting in my bead room here, watching me film this. So I'm like, okay. Kind of odd they only gave 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Huh, they should give it 8. There's 1 off. Made a mistake, I'm sure. So we got these pretty orange ones. These little flowery ones. Those are pretty. These. And then orange ones. And then just various other... Oh, here. Oh, we got 8. Okay. I thought it was kind of weird. And then these. These are really pretty. I got these these are like little bead caps. Very cute. And then these other little ones right here. Random little ones. Absolutely love it. So this is my first month subscription of Jesse James Beads, and I will say I'm really happy. I will leave the link below to the website in case if you are interested in ordering these. And thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up for this video so I know you like it. Also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know in the comments how you like this and if you would like to see any other types of videos. I know you guys have requested a few different videos, and I'm working on them right now. I was away this weekend at my sister's house having some fun with the girls' weekend. And my girlfriends are coming in this weekend. I'm so excited from Chicago. So I'm working the next 3 days, getting some videos going and everything before they come in. So also you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. The links are below, so just click on them to take you there. I also have an Etsy store link below if you would like to follow me there. Just click on that. So thanks again, everybody, and I will see you soon on my next video, and have a great day.